We could be in for a very busy hurricane season this year. Scientists issued their predictions for the 2024 season, which starts on June 1st. And they say there's a 54% chance that the Texas Gulf Coast will be struck by a hurricane this year. And depending on where it strikes, that could affect central Texas. Here's more from Bob Buckaloo.
Colorado State University is far away from the tropics, but for nearly 40 years, scientists there have issued predictions for the Atlantic, Caribbean, and Gulf hurricane seasons. For this year, they're predicting a way above average period of hurricanes and tropical storms, with 23 named storms. That's 9 more than the 10-year average of 14. They're forecasting 11 hurricanes, with 5 of them becoming severe. So why so many storms?
Right now, we still have record warm tropical Atlantic water temperatures. That provides more fuel for hurricanes, also tends to make the atmosphere more unstable, helping to basically form these systems coming off of Africa. Overall, that combination of La Nina and a very warm Atlantic typically leads to very active hurricane seasons.
By the way, if there's any good news about this year's predictions, it's that scientists are not forecasting another year like 2020. That year, there were 30 named storms and 13 hurricanes, the most active hurricane season on record. Bob Buckaloo, KVUE News.